Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Eevee Render versus Cycles. Eevee is Blender's real-time render engine, offering incredible speed and immediate visual feedback, perfect for quick iterations and animations. Cycles, on the other hand, is a physically based path tracer, renowned for its stunning photorealistic results through accurate light simulation. Understanding their core differences is key to choosing the right tool for your three-dimensional projects, whether you prioritize speed or ultimate realism in your final output. Eevee truly shines when speed and interactivity are paramount. It renders scenes almost instantly, making it an excellent choice for game development, architectural walkthroughs, and creating stylized animations where quick turnaround is essential. Leveraging modern graphics card technology, Eevee provides real-time feedback directly in your viewport, allowing for rapid adjustments and a highly efficient workflow. This engine is perfect for projects demanding fast visual iteration. Cycles is the go-to engine for achieving unparalleled photorealism and precise light simulation. It meticulously calculates light bounces, reflections, and refractions, delivering incredibly accurate and lifelike images. Ideal for high-quality product renders, visual effects, and detailed architectural visualizations, Cycles supports advanced features like caustics, volumetric effects, and accurate subsurface scattering. While slower, its commitment to physical accuracy produces truly stunning and believable results. Deciding between Eevee and Cycles ultimately depends on your project's specific needs. If you require rapid iterations, quick animations, or a stylized aesthetic, Eevee is generally the superior choice due to its speed. However, for the highest level of photorealism, intricate light simulation, and a physically accurate look, Cycles remains the undisputed champion. Many artists effectively combine both, using Eevee for previews and Cycles for their final, polished renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.